Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. In today's video, I just want to get y'all up to date on what I'm still using now that it is August. I have changed a lot of things. So I just wanted to kind of go through with, oh my gosh, okay, go through it with you guys. So, my gratitude journal, still using that. It's a skinny mini. We decorate this one. I just did the little kitty cats. I haven't done next week yet. So I'm still using this one. This one's good to go. I'm not changing anything there. So at the beginning of the year, I started out using two skinny classics. And I was using this one for my sort of like a catch-all. I would just kind of write down all of my appointments and then what we did. And it's, you know, this is the one my catch-all is the one that I really just kind of write in pretty messy. If you use a skinny classic, a bunch of these videos are there, some plan with me videos for this one. I've stopped using this one, even though I love decorating it. The main reason is I felt like it was too many planners. That was the main reason that I stopped using it. I wanted to switch to, I felt like I needed like a running list. And this one, it just, for some reason, it wasn't working good for me. So in April, I think was the last one that I did. And the same thing for my fitness planner. I also enjoyed decorating this one. Let's see. So you can just see a few of the spreads. They were fun. But I don't know, I kind of fell off the wagon, the fitness wagon, so to speak. And I stopped logging stuff. And it just, for some reason, this one wasn't working for me either. It was like, I just had so much going on. So I thought, well, I'll combine them and do both of these, like a catch-all and my fitness, in one planner. And that's when I switched to the dashboard. So I'll show you that in a second. This is my work planner. You guys are familiar with this one. It's this one we just decorated. This is still good to go. I'm still using this one. And here's my my memory keeper. We just did a flip through of this one. This is the one where I get like really creative and I try to write nice and neat and fun and everything. I just did June. No, I just did July because we did the flip through June. But then in July, I did the sticker hunt. And then this one, I was going to film a video, but I didn't. And I just started decorating, and as I was decorating it, I thought to myself, it's probably good I didn't do a video because it was taking forever. Because what I decided to do was, in order to get caught up, instead of doing 4 different spreads for July, I did sort of like one themed spread. So I made up these letters. It says it was a very busy month. And I used my own washi from my shop, except for this blue. I will be adding the little seashells to my shop. You'll see those soon if you're interested in those. But anyway, I just needed something because I was so behind, and I'm like, you know what? I really need to back plan July. I didn't want to have to come up with 4 different spreads. And so I just did this. It was a very busy month. I'm going to go back in. I'm going to add a few more of these boxes. And then I'm going to fill it in with all of my memories that are currently in, let's see, in here. So basically what I do is in my catch-all, I will write down the things that I want to remember and that I want to write in my memory keeper, right? Okay, so this one's staying. This is the vertical. I will continue to decorate this one and do plan with me videos on this one. So what I switched up was, instead of using this, which was the skinny classic catch-all, I started using, if you guys remember, I started using in April, I started using the, which was it? The dashboard layout. And I thought I would put all of my fitness stuff in here, right? In the monthly. Since I wasn't really using the monthly, I wanted to put, so I tried that. And I sort of liked it. I didn't do the monthly. Yeah, I didn't care for this. You know, this, it just wasn't enough for me. I just didn't like it. And it was just too something. I don't know. I didn't like it. But I did keep on trying to use the dashboard layout, for my catch-all. Now, I just find the dashboard layouts, one, it's kind of hard to decorate for me. The fact that it's not symmetrical on both sides kind of throws everything off for me. I don't know. And then I felt like I was writing a whole lot over here, and over here I really wasn't writing enough. Like I felt like it was kind of, I don't know, just a whole lot of wasted space that I felt like I really needed. So this one I tried again, hated it, didn't do it, didn't fill it in. So I still continued to, you know, do the dashboard for my catch-all, and this went until June, and I think some of July. Yeah, I did a little bit in July, but already here I was just like, you know what, putting in minimal effort because it just wasn't working. So this one, it was July, I decided to try the checklist layout. I had this this extension pack. It was Miss Maker, and I started using the checklist layout. Again, this catch-all for me is very functional. I didn't want to have to spend a whole lot of time decorating it. I wanted to have a lot of space to write. As you can see, I really write in it. It is like, it's kind of like my brain during the day, right? So it's working for me so far. I think I'm really liking it. I added a little bit more decoration this time for this week, but still, I don't want this one to be sort of like I have the pressure of making it look beautiful. I want to be able to just add a few lines of washi, maybe a box or two, you know, a little bit of decoration, and then use the rest of the space to really write down all the stuff that I want to write down. So I think this one's working way better for me than the dashboard. So I've given up on the dashboard, and I'm sorry to my dashboard planner people. Maybe I'll, you know, decorate one every once in a blue moon, but for now I'm switching to the checklist layout for my catch-all. And then, okay, so yeah, so what I did was I went on Mercari and I lucked out and I found one for sale. I did pay, it was like $24 plus shipping, but I really love this planner and I love the cover and it just fits me perfectly, I think. So what I'm going to do is I am going to, look how cute that is. It's just very cute. I'm sure you guys have seen this one, but here I'll do a quick little flip through. I guess I can do like a setup of it. Here's the things. Crafting is always a good idea. And then all this cute buttons. Crafting helps me unwind. Create something beautiful every day. Born to create. Happiness is a warm glue gun. Ready to plan. This is just, I love it. And I'm so glad I found it because it was sold out. I think it was sold, you know, in the stores. And I remember seeing it like at Joann, I think. I don't remember if it was anywhere else. But I didn't buy it at the time because it was checklist. And I was like, I don't use that one. But I find I'm really liking it. So that is what I'm switching to now. So I'm going to, this one was just a cover that I had. So, and I kind of like the white. I don't know. So I'm going to try the black, but I'm definitely going to use the white. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so later on, I'm going to migrate those pages into here. And what I'm going to do is I will move January and, you know, the months up until when I started using it. And I will move those to the back. And basically, once I get, you know, to January of next year, instead of buying a new planner, I will just redate it and continue to use it. So that's what that's changing. The Skinny Classic is out and the dashboard is out for the rest of the year. At least I'm going to use the checklist layout. Then for my fitness, so you guys know I was using this one, which was working kind of sorta. I like decorating it, but I was trying to consolidate, and guess what? I ended up not consolidating, and I ended up getting another planner. So I had seen this one, and this one I got it on clearance at Michael's, and I think I had like a one of those. Oh my God, Mia, hold on. Okay, go. Sorry. Okay. So this is what I'm going to be using now for fitness. And I do plan on doing some Plan With Me videos on this one. Maybe not, you know, every week, but every once in a while. I bought this one not because of the guts, because I didn't really like them, but I loved just the feel of it. I love the dividers. I thought they were really pretty. It was kind of like, especially this one. I think this one's my favorite. Look how beautiful that is. I think that's like the cover. No, it's like this. Anyway, that one's the one that's like the cover. I loved the dividers. I even liked the color of the disc, even though they're plastic. But it was really cute. And so what I started doing was I was trying to figure out, what am I going to do for fitness? Because you guys know last year I did, let's see, was this fitness last year? Or was it this one? No, not this one. It was this one. Yeah. This is the one I used last year, which is the, is this last year's? Is this, I think it is. No, this is the year before. Anyway, I was using the regular, you know, fitness layout. And then I switched to the Skinny Classic. Now I'm going to try this one. So in July, before I started using this one, I gave a shot at using daily pages. So I decorated a few daily pages. I really wanted a place to be able to kind of like write how I was feeling or things like that. So I didn't keep up with it though, for some reason. And then it was like, I'm really creating more work for myself by doing a daily page, right? Because then that's just more, that's more I have to decorate. And so I was like, you know, I really need to get back to basics so that I actually use it. So I went through all of my planners and I found this one. And I like the fact that it's sort of like a checklist, because basically what I you know, keep track of is my protein, carbs, fats, calories, weight, and steps, basically. And then if I work out or not. And so I counted these and I was like, oh, all right, well, this actually might work. So I created some boxes, because this thing right here, it says, you know, appreciation and care, reframing, like it's got like some prompts for doing specific things every day, which is fine, you know, if that's, if you want to follow, look at this cover, I mean, this divider, how pretty, if you want to do that. But I didn't, you know, I'm keeping track of different things. So this one, I decided to just make some boxes, and I also printed up just the words, and I covered the little prompts that are here. You know, it says 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So I just covered that up. I put my weight, my steps, and then I have this box here that's got protein, carbs, fats, calories. And then I made some little boxes for my workout days. And then I created these, you know, just journal boxes basically. So I did a few different colors and tried just seeing how I would like it. If I liked putting the stickers, if I liked, you know, how it came out. And then this one I just did the marker. I basically just highlighted, you know, these little spots, and then I put my words over the little 2 minute thing here. And then I created these because I like to keep an average of what I did that week. So what I like about this one is I get to log everything, and I get to kind of talk about what is going on, how I'm feeling, and, you know, what I want to remember. So this is going to be the new fitness one that I'm using now. I am trying to keep it minimal, although my instinct is to decorate, right? So I will try to decorate more, but for the most part, I want to be able to do just a basic spread so that it's ready for the next week. I'm not trying to think of, you know, what theme am I going to use or whatever. So these pages, I haven't figured out exactly how I'm going to use it, but as you can see, they have like a lot of, you know, a lot of prompts and a lot of writing. And I just went over it with my washi tape, just because I'm not really going to pay attention to that. So here I might maybe put some goals, maybe write some, you know, 2 things good that happened or whatever, and then just kind of decorate this area that has, you know, all of this writing. And I did that basically, I think I put like a white sticker paper over it, and then I put the other stickers. And I kind of like how it came out. I think it looks cute. I haven't figured out exactly what I'm writing in there yet. And then for August, I want to do like I did in my memory keeper. Let me see, where is that? What I did for January. Oh, it's on the floor. Okay. So like in January here, I did this, right? And I love it. And I want to do this again, but I'm thinking of doing this in this one, which is my, you know, my fitness one. So when I have a symptom, or, you know, if I want to say stupid scale, I can write stupid scale and then write what, what I weighed that day. I don't know. So I'm thinking of doing something fun with this. I'm just not sure yet exactly what. So this is going to be the new fitness planner. So I've got my fitness planner. I've got my work planner. I've got my catch-all. And I think that's it, right? My catch-all, and then my gratitude. And that's it. So these are the 4 planners that I'm using. And then I wanted to give y'all a little tip also, because I know we all have lots of stuff going on. There's one thing, I'm the type of person, I will get distracted so easily when I'm trying to do things. So one thing that's been helping me a lot is I make these little sheets of what I want, not what I want, but you know, the planners that I have to write in every day, or the things that I definitely want to do every day. And in the morning, I come to my little list, and first I'll write in my catch-all, I'll write in my fitness, I'll write in my work planner. Memory, I haven't done anything because I don't have, nothing's decorated. But I'll go back into my catch-all to, you know, decorate what I need, back plan what I need to. And then my journal, which I didn't show, but it's my, my positivity journal from, let me get that. It's from Clever Fox. So it's this one. I have been, you know, it looks like this, and it's just, it's kind of fun. I've been decorating it and keeping up with it, and I really like it. So I try to journal. What I like about this one too is that the journal spot, you know, there's like a little prompt, and then the journal spot is pretty, it's not super small, but it's just right. So I can, you know, write down my thoughts, but I don't have like a huge big space to fill, you know what I mean? So anyway, so this is working for me, my little checklist, and that is pretty much how I remember to write. And this one, you know, sits on my nightstand, so we do this at night. So okay, so that was it. That's what's changing. So you'll start seeing these other 2 planners pretty soon in my Plan With Me videos. And I don't know, I hope that was helpful. If not, it was just me rambling. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.